Thank you.
Thank you. Ike.
Sir,
Igwe.
I really appreciate it.
Right guy.
I'm a married man now.
I see you.
Beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I'm back again with another video. Yes, make I just go straight to the point. If you are new to my channel, please do hit that red subscribe button. If you like our channel, of course, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. You can come and check it out. My today topic now, messy marriage with IK or Ike na be the guy name. The guy now Big Brother house now therefore no, except say probably they don't know before, but I believe say na Big Brother house now all of them they know for this set. Now somebody actually bring me the video. I no say Mercy don't marry. She not post her marriage picture like that for her Instagram page. The Instagram page just did like that. She not post her marriage like that, like it be like secret marriage in kind of. So when she actually sent me the video, her own concern or what did she think about the marriage, say the thing is too quick because now Big Brother house now you take me the guy. You don't know whether the guy they after the thing where you get there or the thing where you actually get, or the guy they after you for real. Like the person concerned, she forgive the marriage a bit time, not be like you like the guy like you, but a little bit of time go make you know who the guy be well before you enter. In as much as say I agree with the person's side, but not too much, because these days even though you decide to hold with the man based on you want study the guy or know the kind of person where the guy be, it not mean say no go change am for you at any time. Like it not mean say if you not change am at any time you get, because change now one constant thing. That not mean say I know me or my own, I'm not sure say I go feel meet man today and then marry and maybe this quick or I supposed to give am time. But wetin be my own pot fit be another person kettle, you get me. Most people no send if it's good for them. Most people go see man today, they can just decide to marry, the man is ready, and then registry like marriage person wey dey to put them together is there, they can decide to marry today. The thing where that person wey marry today go see you, where you stay with your husband for many years, they kind of they wash the man, or the man will stay with you for many years, they wash you, whether now what you want and stuff like that. Fit see the same thing, you understand? For the fact say you marry this person today, it not mean say you feel no get luck and marry better person. The man can end up say be better person, you get. But you when you even they date the man for years to make sure say na person where you want, you feel at the end of the day marry this man, the man fit change am for you, because change day, like change na something when you be like say day, and anybody can change at any time. So Mercy getting married to the guy, I no see am as something where they wrong, because I believe say she be adult now, what she wants, probably wasting your time with the person or marry the person now. You not go stop marriage to be rosy or to be hell. It just means say it go still give you, I just feel say it go give you the same effect. Though honestly speaking, you staying with a man for some months to make sure say you know they make mistake, you just to clear your conscience to make sure say you know they make mistake, is still good. Because along all these months the guy feel character just be like pregnancy, you get, you know they hide. Even though I say the money where the person come for, if na money come for, or if na you come for, even though I say the thing where the person come for, you never get them. Character na something where they inside. The person if you don't bring that one or two characters the way you know go like to deal with, you get, for all these months where you date them. So it's still advisable for you at least to know the person where you date. It not mean say you go date time for donkey years. Just mean say give am some months, if possible 1 year, just for you to date extra sure. But you can't be too sure still for marriage. It can't be like say I know they make sense. Like you can't be too sure for marriage, because changes can come at any time. The guy if you no change that time where you date am and change her for you where you don't marry her. So anytime where anybody they ready for marriage, I feel say at the right time. It's just that I don't know why she do one low key. Probably people will go tell her congratulations for your marriage, I'm happy for you. No go many. Maybe people will go discourage her go much. Probably that's why she do one low key, and boom, her marriage is up like just like that. So yeah, plus minus, she's married and she's married. Me, I for no believer if say not be video from the guy saying I'm not a married man, like I'm a married man. If the guy not talk and say I'm a married man, probably I no go believe say Messi don't marry, because the thing just boom like that. She not post them, they not talk much about the thing, like just secret marriage. But all the same, she don't marry and I'm happy for her. Any choice way anybody choose, else is okay with you, because at the end of the day now you go stay with the person, whether you date the person for years before you marry her, or you see the person today before you marry her. Last now you go deal with the person. Now waiting, I believe. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Drop your comment down below waiting you think, whether she suppose at least give the guy some time before she marry, or marrying the guy no waste any time is still better, because if the guy want change her for you, he can still change her for you. So yes, drop a comment down below what you think. Follow me for my Instagram if you get any question. I go see you now for my next video, or I go see me for my next video. For now, I'm out. Bye.
Welcome to the junction. Thank you for hi Ike. Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoy your meal.
Yeah, you guys are really good.
Thank you.
Yes, girl, I saw your flower.
Show you again. Have you seen my flowers?
Yes, girl, I saw your flower.
Show you again.